also and they showed her.
Oh yeah.
Oh.
Hey, what happened to Matthew?
We don't know where Matthew is.
Didn't finish without your team.
Come on. I love it. No. It's hard. Good job, good job.
Come on now. Don't stay in one place. You got to keep moving your legs. Go through at the same time and help each other.
Oh, yeah.
Come on. Come on now.